Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for today? Today I am bringing to you my second Dollar Tree haul of July. This one I'm really excited about. It's been a while since I've been really excited about a Dollar Tree haul and new items that the Dollar Tree is carrying. And I am so stinking excited because it's items and products that you wouldn't typically think that you'd see at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, again, is really stepping up their game and is coming out with some amazing new items. And I found a lot of them. So in this haul, I'll be showing you some of the amazing new items that Dollar Tree's carrying, things that you can keep your eyes open for at your local Dollar Trees. So let's jump into it and let me show you what all I found. I'm gonna start this Dollar Tree haul off with some amazing new finds and products that the Dollar Tree is now carrying. They are now carrying this product line for your hair by Lusty. They've got this Argan Oil 4-in-1 leave-in conditioner. It's 8 fluid ounces. When I looked on Amazon, it goes for $7.89. That is a $6.89 savings on this. They're also carrying this olive oil detangling spray. It is also 8 fluid ounces, and on Amazon, it goes for $10.99 a bottle. That is a $10 savings. And the last item that I found in this line that my Dollar Tree is carrying is this Argan Oil hair moisturizer. It's a triple strength moisturizer. It's also 8 fluid ounces. And this for a 3-pack on Amazon is going for $28.88. I've never tried these out. I'm excited to try them. It's an organic line. I say if you see these at your Dollar Tree, grab them while you can. Another awesome find and buy that I found at Dollar Tree is this one and only, it's another Argan Oil hair product. It's by Color Oasis. It's a clarifying shampoo. I was kind of bummed that I couldn't find the conditioner. For the pair on Amazon, it goes for $18.97. That is an amazing buy. That is a $17 savings. This is another one of those products that is an amazing buy, amazing product that the Dollar Tree is carrying. This product is one that my son has used, this Monkey Jump Hair Gel Ultimate Hold. Looking on Amazon, it goes for $5.67. Again, this is a $4.67 savings. This is a new decor piece to the Dollar Tree. It is very similar to the black ones that I've used in prior DIYs, this white framed relax decor piece. They've got several different sayings. I liked the relax, so this is the one I picked up. And how about these wood plaques with the 3 metal clamps at the bottom to hold notes or, like it says, missing socks. Another missing items with the same clamps and another missing socks. These are perfect for, say, holding outgoing mail or keeping a receipt that you may need to return something for. I think that these are just a really fun piece to have for so many different uses. And how about this keys decor piece that has 3 hooks on it for your keys? This is such a fun piece, and again, this is not something that I would expect to see at the Dollar Tree. And how about these mirrored wall decor decals? I picked them up in the arrows and banana leaves. These are adhered to the wall with adhesive that is on the back of these. This is another amazing find, this Rust-Oleum Never Wet Multi-Surface Liquid Repellent. This is a 2-step treatment. It comes in the color Frosted Clear. You can use this for so many different things. You can use it on wood, you can use it on shoes, and I'm guessing that it kind of weatherproofs some of the items. Say if maybe you're making a decor piece and you want to weatherproof it, you could probably use this Rust-Oleum Never Wet and it would probably weatherproof it. I like to pick up Dollar Tree's Barbie Detangler. It comes in the cotton candy scent. This detangler is a really great detangler. Your kid's hair is so tangled up from swimming all day. You spray this in there, let it set for a few minutes, and it combs out so easily. I like taking one of Dollar Tree's clear spray bottles, and I'll empty the detangler into this bottle, and it fills it about halfway. Then I'll fill it the rest of the way with warm water. I'll shake it, and I spray it in Alli's hair. I'll let it set for a couple minutes, and would you look at how easily her hair combs out. She had just been swimming for about an hour, so her hair was full of tangles, and this really does work. And I dilute it just to get more out of it, and it works just as well. October is coming up, so breast cancer awareness is coming. This is the first time that I have seen one of these wreath rings. I loved that the Dollar Tree was carrying this wreath ring, so I picked one up, and I will be doing an upcoming DIY for breast cancer awareness in October. And as most of you know, I love Sinful Colors nail polish. It is an amazing nail polish. The wear on it is amazing. I can get a week plus of wear out of Sinful Colors. Dollar Tree got some new colors in. They got this pink, a purple, this gradient black, a green, and a gray. And this is a gray that I've used in the past that I absolutely love. They discontinued it, and I hadn't been able to find it since. Found more of the new Treat Me bath bombs. Alli loves these. We found one in a purple cupcake, this pink and orange unicorn, a pink smoothie, and a green butterfly. Make sure to head on over to Alli's channel to see how these bath bomb works. She will be trying these out to see if they're worth the dollar you spend or if they're not worth anything at all. Link to her video is in the description box below. How about these lip balms? Strawberry and lemon. These are made to look like EOS's. Alli thought that these were fun and cute, and she's always wanting my EOS lip balms, so I got her these. This was another fantastic find. I am so excited to see that my Dollar Tree got the full set of the sunflower dishware in. They've got the bowl, the salad plate, the dinner plate, the mug, and the glass. They're also carrying an oven mitt, a 2-pack of these pot holders, and the dish towels to match. This set is so stinking cute. I love it. Love some coffee decor, so I picked up this Espresso Me coffee picture. Loving it. I'm gonna be DIYing this to suit the decor of my home. Picked up 6 of these new tea light holders that the Dollar Tree is now carrying for an upcoming DIY. And pineapples seem to be all the rage lately. Dollar Tree's got this gold ceramic pineapple. It comes in silver as well. I'm loving this one. And in white, which would be amazing to add some lettering or wording to personalize it as a gift to somebody who loves pineapples. And how about these mason jar bags? These are so stinking cute, I can hardly handle it. Not all who wander are lost. Love that. How about a vacation fun jar and a rainy day fun jar? Love these. These are so stinking cute. How about these frosted votive holders? This one comes in green, and they've got a lavender, and they've got this teal kind of gray color as well. These are perfect for a bathroom countertop. Alli spotted these unicorn boxed wall decor. Believe in magic. Magic is all around us. And always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn. And how about these adorable magnets? This cupcake, love at first bite. I'm in shape, pound is a shape. I love that. And how about this magnet conversion chart? I love this measuring cup. This one is definitely one that stays on my refrigerator. This cross glass tea light holder, look at how pretty this is. This dream wood plaque, loving these. Found these craft colored gift boxes. I was on the hunt for a gift box. I am loving these, so I picked up a couple of these. And for Alli, I found these markers by Jot, This set is a stamp set. This set of markers makes circles. And this set of markers makes different lines. How fun is that? And there you have it. I told you, I found some really great items, some really great products. Those hair products, I can hardly wait to try out and see how they work. I may do a review on them. And some of the decor pieces are just awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget. And bye for now, everybody.